This is Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro in white color. The watch features a 2.5D sapphire crystal dial, which is extremely scratch resistant and durable. The bezel is made of aerospace-grade titanium alloy. By long pressing its dial, you can change many options. The Martial Arts Alliance leader has a cute pet module where you can interact with it. Tap it and it will greet you. It's so much fun. Let's see what functions it has. Blood oxygen saturation, body temperature, heart rate, emotional health, exercise, sleep, electrocardiogram. Its functions are actually very comprehensive. My blood oxygen saturation is currently 95% and my heart rate is 62. This time, its screen has a very high peak brightness and I think it's still very clear to see even in very bright sunlight. This Fit 5 Pro also has a built-in micro-exercise function. Find the micro-exercise courses in the workout courses and plans, and there are head and neck, shoulder, and back exercises. Let's take a look. Neck exercises. Oh, there's a panda here. So cute. Wow, once it completes a micro exercise, it unlocks a city background. Fit 5 Pro boasts an ultra-narrow 1.8mm bezel design and an 83% screen-to-body ratio, making it both large and square enough to be truly fit. Its 1.92-inch flexible screen offers crystal clear clarity. With 3000 nits of brightness, even during exercise in bright sunlight, you can easily view watch data. The 2.5D sapphire crystal is not only high definition and scratch resistant, but also provides smoother operation. The aerospace-grade titanium alloy bezel and cloud feel breathable braided strap reduce weight by 16%. The Fit 5 Pro comes in 3 colors, ensuring you stand out no matter when you wear it. It debuts a wrist-based micro sports mode that unlocks 10 body parts. After activating micro sports, the panda character becomes increasingly active. After accumulating 30 micro sports sessions, the panda will embark on a global journey, taking you on a journey to unlock different landscape watch face backgrounds. In cycling mode, we've added simulated cycling power and new simulated cadence data. The sunflower positioning system has also been fully upgraded, with signal strength improved by 45%. In the complex scenarios of trail running, the overall satellite accuracy reaches 98.84%. The golf mode also brings 5 new experiences. Leveraging its powerful spin detection capabilities, it also introduces ECG blood sugar health research, offering more professional health features. The Fit 5's body weighs only 27 grams and is as thin as 9.5 millimeters, with 5 vibrant colors to suit your diverse style. The upgraded health monitoring module improves blood oxygen monitoring accuracy by 18%. The Fit 5 series collaborates with international trend brand to launch co-branded watch straps and exclusive watch faces, making it your trendy electronic accessory. Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro starts at $270 and Huawei Watch Fit 5 starts at $160.